Hello everyone, welcome back to Animal Crossing New Leaf. Welcome Amiibo. We're back here again. We're gonna go meet our new villager. We'll chow our villagers. And I'm not sure if we're gonna Tropical Island tonight or not, just due to some things I have to do here. So we got time to play and everything. And so I'll get you pair, okay. It'll probably be a little while, so bear with me. I'm gonna go all the way on the other side of the town, so hey Elmer. Okay, I'm getting ready to go too. Just a moment. Thank you. Sure. Let me go find an ad first before it gets even darker. Please, I hope to get a butterfly tonight. Oh man, hope to get a net tonight and a butterfly. Yeah. I was asked about within the potential rain. Is it going to affect me from going to church on Sunday here? I was just asked a little bit about that. I was on a phone call this afternoon. Oh, dang it. I want to have to go to Tropical Island then, Rocco. I may have to do that. We'll have to. It'll probably be off camera for this, so I'll go there later today and I'll catch that. So it's okay. So no worries. Let's go meet Leaf and let's get them let's take the flowers. Let's make a garden. Oh, we got an axe. Perfect. We do need to take down a few trees, I think. Dang it. What all do I have to sell? My gosh. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Oh. Well, that ain't good. I thought my inventory is okay. Well, bummer. So I'm gonna go sell some things here. Plant the flowers and everything. Hope y'all had a good day today. Today's been fine. Persimmon now. We're gonna plant more of them after a while. Okay. But even though when the rain we get here, it's not gonna affect me from going to church on Sunday. Trust me, tonight. Things are gonna be fine. Also, cattle we don't know we don't know. Not know. Bleh. We don't want them. Goodness. Nice. Let me guess who's in here. No, Monique's here. All right. Go get something here. I'm gonna find something for you. And take this. You're not gonna get this out. Oh my goodness, why am I itching? Sure. Oh my goodness. talk to chatter. Nice. Well, I love this. KK Soul. Or Soulful KK. It is a girl. KK Soul. I love your house, man. This is awesome. Very, very good. There's a funeral for Miles Rainey has been released. It's going to be on June the 6th at the Richards Childress Racing Auditorium. So that's going to take place there. So pray for the family. They're struggling bad right now. It's just they're just going through so much. Let's talk again. Y'all are so excited about this new resident, man. We're going to talk to her. Canberra. Right. Let's go get a pair for Dottie. So yeah. Let's go meet our new villager named Canberra. I've had her before, like I said, but I love the outside of her house. Looks nice. Hi, how are you doing? Yeah, I'll come back tomorrow one more time. Alright. Got a neat house. I really love your wall. It's like a fruit wall. That's nice. Very, very good. Geez, you have least good lord. We won. I'm wanting to change the exterior of my house a little bit. We're not paying off the $98,000. Large bookshelf, okay. Alright. So welcome Canberra to the town. I don't think out of all this time I've seen a net yet. Probably just me, but it's crazy out of all these days, you know. When these 7+ days, I don't know, something like that. And of course we got Lyle. Okay. Whoa, let's take that roof. 5,200. Still, it's a lot though. Let's get this door. This is a temporary, I think. Green. green. And let's get this sculpted hedge. Let's get this exterior too. The exterior is going to be a change for sure later on, though. But I just want to get rid of that plain looking, you know. We'll go back to Tropical Island tomorrow, okay? Okay. Oops, sorry. Let's go fishing tonight too, and that way we have just some extra time. We're gonna check out some gyroids in my house, put some things in there. So, but first I want to smack down a couple of trees. First, I want to do that first. So just like getting that out of the way, because you know, I'm looking at things here. These two are fine. Let's smack this tree down. Well done. Well, it looks like it keeps thundering. Like it's always feeling like it's gonna thunder, but it's really not. And that's just, you know, what is this? It's like a triangle. It's like whenever you chop these trees down, they always have like little things on there, you know, it's pretty cool. Let's chop this tree down. Alright. We're trying to make things look a little more convenient, you know. It's alright. No, we're not destroying every tree. We're gonna replant some trees here. We're gonna make it like kind of like a fruit orchard, you know. But typewriter. Okay. I'm probably not gonna chop any more down. At least, where did I put the perfect orange one? I think because I'm really confused, sort of by that. But where is? It's up here. No, it's not. I swore I put them up here somewhere. Did I not? These are persimmons. Let's see here. You know, I'm sorry if I'm moving DS around a little bit. Just, so I'm gonna go to Tropical Island off camera. The way I can go and, you know, catch the, where's the perfect orange tree, y'all? Did I not plant any? Did I or did I not? I'm really confuzzled right now. I may have, but I just, just one of those things, it's just crazy sometimes. It's like one of those things where you're just like, you plan, like, oh, you forget sometimes. Oh well, I'll check it out, I guess, later. Let's catch just a few fish tonight. We're not gonna do it. We're not gonna catch every fish. We're just gonna catch just a few, and then we'll kind of end the episode. I've got some things to do here around, and I'm gonna go to Tropical Island later tonight. What is it? It's raining now. Dang. It's 6:22. I'm gonna go with Meow Max. It's raining now. Hallelujah. Praise the Lord. Because it's been awfully dry for a while. Sorry. It's a squid. I don't know if y'all can hear it. Wow, that's amazing. But the problem is I don't know how long it's gonna last. Be right back. Sorry about that. I had asked Mom and Dad a question and cut back the TV. Sorry about that. I got myself distracted there. We'll fill up all these spaces and then we'll go self and then we'll be finished for the night. I've got some other things to do here. I'd like to do so much more right now in the game, but I've got some other parts around. Crazy here. It's amazing. The rain is here though now. Oh my gosh, quit showing freaking Kamala Harris. Oh, I can't stand her. She's a witch. She's a know-it-all. She thinks she's better than everyone. I don't care whether you like her or not. I'm glad that she lost the 24 election. I laughed my ass off when she lost the election. I'm being for real. Because she was the one, who looked for nothing but herself. And she laughs about every single thing. So I laughed off for her. loss and everything. Do I agree with everything Donald Trump has done? No. But he's a better president than Kamala Harris. If you remember, they put Kamala Harris as the border czar, or Kamala, whatever. I'm calling her Kamala. She did nothing for the border. She talked about it, but she didn't know what the hell that was, you know. She practically doesn't even know what the border situation is, and she just laughs at it. And not every single thing is funny in the world as she thinks, and whatever. She's terrifying. She never had children, and that's even worse, you know. And like her stepchildren call her Mamala. Mamala. Let's get this fish here. I don't mean to talk about politics, but she just literally appeared on here, and I begin to think, good Lord, help me. Let's take this, we'll sell this, and we'll go back to the house and we'll check out some things here. Alright. We're not going to be able to pay off the fountain tonight. I probably will maybe later, within my own time. I've just got some things here to do this evening, and then I'll be back in New Leaf, and I'll play off camera, and I'll go to Tropical Island and maybe catch some bugs, and then get Rocco his butterfly, and then I'll just kind of wrap it up for the day from there. I'm not tired, y'all. I'm fine, so we don't need a typewriter, so we'll sell that too. We'll keep the large bookshelf. $12,900, okay. We got $77,424. It's good to have the rain here, though. No joke. All right. Let's go to our house and let's check out some furniture here. Let's check out the gyroids. See what they look like here. I'm not gonna have the house just full of gyroids, but I'm just curious. I'm just gonna put one down at a time, and then I'll just kind of, you know, Quelcoid? Okay, that's a keep. So, Crocoid. That's a keep too. Dang, alright. That's great. Mega Oboid. No. Well, actually, those are all keeps. We're gonna, let's put the Crocoid, let's put all these in here. Once the house is bigger, we'll kind of figure out how we're gonna rearrange these things, you know. And let's put the large bookshelf like right here. This is going to be temporary for now, but I think it's beneficial for me to put it there. Looks good. Looks good. Heck yeah. All right. I just want to say thank you for watching this episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check out my videos, and I will see you tomorrow morning. And you have a blessed evening. And until then, goodbye for now.